Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we'll take a look at how we can add a new user on a Windows 11 machine. There's different ways you can do it. I'm going to show two different ways. Let's look at the first method. You can go under search and search for users here. And you'll see add, edit, or remove other users on this device. If you click on this option, you'll get this pop-up window here. And here you see you have this add other user. You can click add account. Now with this method, we can bypass the requirement to have an email. So you have an option here to add a user without their email. You can say I don't have this person's sign-in information. Okay, and you can either get a new email address or you can say add a user without a Microsoft account. So this is the method I'm going to use here. Just type in the username here. I'll say test user 3. Then you'll need to put in a password. Just put in a password here. Okay. Then you'll need to answer your security questions. So I'm just gonna put some random letters here. Next. Now we have our user here. If you click on this, you have the account options. You can click here to change this to administrator if you want this account to be administrator. So, okay. So that's the first method of adding a new user. Let's look at the second method. The second method, you can right click on the start menu here and you'll see computer management. Click on computer management and this window is going to pop up for computer management. Just expand this local users and groups option. Click on users and here you have the users listed. You can see the user we added, test user is listed here, test user 3 is listed here. To add a new account or user, right click on this window, this space right here, new user. And again, I can say test user 4. And I can put the name if I want it in description. And I can also skip that and go ahead and put the password here. And you also have the option to have the user change the password the first time they log in. Okay, I don't need to do that. Once you have all that done, if you want to make your password so that it doesn't change, you can select this one here, create, close. The user is added. So that's how you'd add a new user. If I was to log out of this, if I was to sign out of this account, you'll see that all the users are going to be listed in the login screen. So for instance, let's quickly do that here. So if I was to come here, left click on this, sign out. And then you can see now I have all these users. I can select whichever user I want to log in as, and then I'll go ahead and log in. So let's log in and delete those users so we can see the process for that. I'm going to use computer management option to delete the users. So right click on the start menu, go to computer management, and then here go to local users and groups, users, and then I'll just select this, right click on, so I'll select this, right click on it, and then I'll just delete. So it's gonna warn you, so it's just gonna warn you that the profile for this user is gonna be deleted. So just click yes. If you try to delete an administrator account, it was gonna warn you, telling you that make sure you have another administrator account before you delete that one. So you can also delete this one, delete. And that's all for this video. That's how you add a new user and also how to delete a user on a Windows 11 machine. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.